instrumental method of analysis, we had already completed pH metric titration. In that, how the pH meter is standardized, what are the buffer solution, what are their example, and pH metric titration of strong acid versus strong base. Right now we are going to discuss conductometric titration. But before the conductometric titration, we must know the definitions. हमें कुछ conductometric titration करने से पहले कुछ definition मालूम होनी चाहिए. इनके ऊपर आपके एग्जाम में आएंगे 3 मार्क के सवाल. Define the terms, either definitions or MCQ questions on the units. What is the unit of specific conductance? What is the unit of molar conductance, equivalent conductance, like that. So let's see one by one definitions related with the conductometric titration. तो पहली definition है Ohm's law. Statement. What is the statement? So the current passing through the conductor directly proportional to the potential difference which is applied across the electrode. So I can write I directly proportional to E. So after doing this, write in reverse form, E directly proportional to I. So I have to remove this. So E is equal to IR, where E is your electrode potential difference. I is current, and proportionality sign is replaced by resistance. So from that I can find the unit of resistance. So R is equal to E upon I. So R is equal to E is measured in volt, potential difference having the unit volt, current having the unit ampere, and volt per ampere is nothing but ohm. So ohm is the unit for resistance. That is the first part said to be the Ohm's law. Next part है conductance. Next definition is conductance, shortly represented by C. What is conductance? It is the reciprocal of resistance. So as we know that resistance is measured in ohm, so unit is equal to 1 upon ohm, and when I reshuffle it, ohm raised to minus 1 or mho, that is the unit of conductance. Third definition has specific resistance. It is also called as a resistivity. It is having the symbol rho, and the specific resistance is R directly proportional to length upon area. When I remove this proportionality sign, I have to take one constant. मुझे constant लेना पड़ेगा. That constant is nothing but your specific resistance or resistivity. So R is equal to rho into length upon A. Reshuffle करो इस equation को. Rho is equal to RA divided by L, and from that unit is rho. Resistance measured in ohm, area in centimeter square, length in centimeter. After doing this, you get the unit specific resistance having unit ohm per ohm centimeter. From that, next definition is specific conductance having the symbol K. क्या है वो? It is the conductance of solution which placed between two parallel electrode which are cross sectional area as a 1 centimeter and kept in 1 centimeter apart. So that is definitions for specific conductance. How it can be represented? So K, specific conductance is the reciprocal of specific resistance. So K is equal to 1 upon rho. मुझे सिर्फ इक्वेशन में रो की वैल्यू डालनी है. So K is equal to RA upon L. So reshuffle करो इक्वेशन. K is equal to L upon RA. You get the unit specific conductance having the unit ohm raised to minus 4 per centimeter. That is the unit related with the specific conductance. Next definition is cell constant. क्या होता है cell constant? It is the ratio of length upon area. As we know that length measured in centimeter, area in centimeter square. After doing, we can have the unit per centimeter is the unit for your cell constant. उसके बाद है equivalent conductance. क्या होता है equivalent conductance? It is the conductance of the solution. Solution के अंदर जो conductance होता है उसके ऊपर ये equivalent conductance होता है. तो क्या है? It is the conductance of solution which is 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte कि जो 1 centimeter apart place किया है inside the electrode. That is nothing but the equivalence conductance, and its formula is lambda is equal to kV, V for volume. So after doing this calculation, we have the unit per ohm centimeter square gram per equivalent. That is the unit of your equivalent conductance. And last definition is molar conductance. It is represented by the symbol mu, and it is the conductance of solution of 1 mole of electrolyte which containing in a solution having the concentration when placed between 1 centimeter apart of the electrode. So its unit is per ohm per centimeter gram per mole. So these are all related with the definitions related with your conductometric titration. On that we have either 3 marks definition question and 1 marks for your MCQ यूनिट के ऊपर सवाल आने वाला है. गेटिंग? ठीक है. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट?